The most important thing is to never stop asking. So here we are with Dr. Prerna Desai asking the most Googled questions about homeopathy.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Prerna Desai and I'll be speaking something on homeopathy. First of all, before I go to my main talks, let me thank Neophyte for this thing and providing me opportunity to speak something on my system. I'm very happy.
So here is one of the most Googled question, that is scope of homeopathy in India.
Yes, definitely yes. First, you can start your private practice immediately after doing BHMS. You can start giving homeopathic medication. If you want to be a lecturer or a professor in any of the colleges, either it could be government or private, you have to do extra education after achieving BHMS degree. You have to go for MD degree with specialization subject that you have to choose. Then you can be a professor or lecturer. Then apart from that, you can be a medical officer in private hospitals or government hospitals. We have very good opportunity for homeopaths all over India in this in the hospitals and other things. Fourth, you can open if you don't want to practice anything and if you're feeling like to go in business and still want to stick to homeopathy, you can start your homeopathic pharmacy. Then this is fourth. Then apart from that, if you're not at all interested in homeopathy practice or but you still are confused, I want to be in the medicine field but I don't want to practice homeopathy, but I have done this degree. So what you can do, there are students, people, my friends, those who have done MBA in public health, or you can do masters in public health and you can start this thing after your BHMS. So this was the scope of homeopathy in India.
So the next one is the most famous and most Googled question, the role of homeopathy as immunity booster in COVID times.
Definitely yes. I have been taking a lot of patients for this condition, and the result what I have been getting in a very quick short of time with regain of health and with no side effects is marvelous. Homeopathy is a medicine, it's a science, it's a medical science which help the patient to cure from the root. This is a system which considers each and every aspect of individual, and based on that medicine is selected, and this medicine will trigger the immune system and will automatically correct the disease condition. That's how homeopathy will try to help in a very short way I tried explaining.
So here comes our last question, that is myths and facts about homeopathy.
First and the most commonest one is homeopathy is very slow, and the answer is no, definitely no. See, it depends on the condition what the patient has come with. If a patient has come with chronic illness, it is depending on the pathology. If the pathology is at a very mild level, the patient will be fine in very few days to few months. We treat acute cases as well: fever, typhoid, pneumonia, viral cough, sprain, cuts, lacerating wounds, etc. And you will see the result very quickly. This is one of the major myth. And the fact is no, definitely no, homeopathy is, I think it acts fastest of all with no side effects and it's natural. Then there are other facts about other myths about homeopathy is that it's a placebo. Homeopathy is definitely not placebo. It has a medicine. We use natural resources and we make medicine from plants and animal sources, from mineral sources, and we have all the facts, all the cases with us. If you want to see the result, we can definitely show you. Whether it is a case of a cancer, whether it is a case of corona, whether it is a case of kidney stones, etc. We do have our cases with us. As you know, if you want any facts, we'll provide you with it, okay, with evidences. So this is not a magic trick or anything like that. It's a science, and we practice based on all the principles, and we don't fool people, okay.
And yeah, that's it for this video. And finally, we would like to thank our ma'am, Dr. Prerna Desai, for giving her time, energy and love to educate all of us. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks all for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.